you imagine your life with no labels? First taste of sweetness on a new morning quickly fades away at the sight of all the spices mixed up, or anxiously rummaging through the papers. A moment at work is lost. What a mess, right? Now, you can organize your life in just 10 seconds. Here comes a little helper, the world's cutest and funniest customized label maker, Qutie. Wake her up. Type what you want in the app. Print and cut. Get what you need. Qutie, born with ergonomic design, safe ABS plastic, inkless technology, a handy assistant for home organization. With an app with multiple functions, customize your own exclusive labels anytime. Fast and quiet printing, so you can get what you want in 10 seconds and no longer mess up. With Qutie by your side, every day is a lovely day. Unique waterproof labeling technology for long-lasting labels. Once the Qutie gets into your life, it is everywhere. Makes toys organization more beautiful and elegant. Takes care of your important medication. Puts your frequently used electrical cables where it belongs. Gives your daily cosmetics a beautiful makeover. Tastes the sweetness of life with you. Shares in your joys. Comes with fast and convenient Type-C charging port. 2 hours is all it takes to refresh and be vigorous. Live with a light heart together with your little cute Qutie. Make your every day a Qutie. Thank you for supporting us.
The P-Touch Cube XP Professional Label Maker from Brother. Create and print labels in a wide variety of sizes, colors, types, and adhesives to easily stay organized for your business, home office, or retail operations. Print labels up to approximately 1.5 inches wide to find the perfect size for all your items. Print in 360 dots per inch high resolution for crisp images, barcodes, graphics, and text. The built-in automatic cutter provides perfect full and half cuts. Choose from 3 different applications to print from any mobile device or computer. You'll have quick access to label templates or easily design custom labels with unique graphics and images. Harness the power of P-Touch editor software to access existing databases to create personalized labels. Advanced users and developers can take advantage of Brother's software development kits to easily integrate label printing into your own apps and software. From everyday labeling to custom solutions for system integrators and developers, the P-Touch Cube XP is designed for extreme performance. The P-Touch Cube XP Professional Label Maker, only from Brother.